Thank you, Honourable Chair. If I may proceed. Good morning, Mr. Matlala.
Good morning.
Mr. Matlala, I just want to kick off with your allegations regarding former Minister Cele. You made some allegations yesterday which are clearly very serious, that you made 2 payments to him and you deal with that. Do you still have your can you just state copy? If I can maybe hand you a copy of your signed statement.
Thank you. It's so hot.
Chair, they're obviously still using the original to print the remaining copies. But Mr. Matlala has a copy. Mr. Matlala, you have a copy of your revised statement?
Yes, I do have.
Okay, SC, just to bring it to the attention of the members that the statement is in the committee WhatsApp group.
Sorry, Chair?
The members have the statement in the committee WhatsApp group.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. Mr. Matlala, I kicked off with saying that I want to just revisit your allegations yesterday that you paid or made 2 payments to former Minister Cele, and you dealt with that in your statement at page 23 and 24 and 25, or the cash payments rather is made at page 26 and 27. So can you just go to page 26 and 27? That's where you deal with the payments. You see that?
Yes, I see it.
An initial payment was made at your residence around January. Do you have a more or less exact date in January that you made this payment?
No, I don't have.
And you said you handed the money to him while you were in your apartment.
Yes.
Were the 2 of you alone?
No, I said we were with Mr. Mpongose.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
I said we were with Bongani Mpongose.
So Bongani Mpongosi would have witnessed you making the payment.
Yeah, but unfortunately he passed on.
So he's passed on. So you don't have a live witness.
No, I don't have.
So how was this? How did you get this money? Did you go and draw it at the bank or at an ATM? And you would have a bank account. Can you produce your bank statements to show a withdrawal of a cash amount either at the ATM or at the bank?
Yes, I do not have access to my banking app, but the police, they do have the copy of my bank statement. So I cannot get bank statements from here.
So we can at some point get a copy of your bank statement?
Yes, I think if I can check on my, because I already have the disclosure of the docket from a criminal case, chances are the statement might be there as well.
Okay. We'll see if we can't, during the course of the day, perhaps while you face some other questions, with the assistance of Mr. Forbay, get hold of that, access that bank statement. So just tell us what the circumstances were. Did he ask to stay at your apartment, or did you offer that he stay at your apartment?
Yes, he asked.
And what was his reason? You know, when he told us, when he testified before this honourable committee, you know, he's a pensioner, and if there's an offer by someone to stay in their apartment, he's not going to say no, and it sounds quite plausible. But now you say he asked to stay at your apartment. So at what point does he ask you for money, or do you offer him money, and what amount?
I offered him the first payment. It was 300,000. So it was in this in January this year. And for the reason for me to give me that money is because of he asked for money.
He asked for the money.
Yes.
Did he mention 300,000 rand?
No, he actually wanted 1 million rands.
He actually wanted 1 million.
Yes.
And your response was, I can't give you 1 million, but I can give you 300,000.
No, I didn't give him 300,000. I gave him 3, and then again I gave him 2, like I mentioned. And the day I decided to stop, I was supposed to give him 300,000 again, but that never happened. It's when I decided to stop taking his calls.
So, just to summarize, he wanted 1 million,
Yes.
and you made 2 payments to him of 500,000.
Yes.
And when the balance was demanded, you stopped.
Yes.
So let's go to the first occasion. When did he make his demand for 1 million? Was it before he came to stay at your apartment? Was it at your apartment or in your apartment?
Yes, at my apartment.
And you say that at the time the late Mpungosi was present.
Yes.
And what was your reaction to that someone is demanding, someone of that stature is demanding 1 million rand from you?
Yeah. He actually spoke to Bongani. He said, you see, I helped your friend, and now I'm here at his apartment, and he's not even doing anything to show appreciation. And then I said, but what do you mean? Because I even offered you a place to stay. He said, no, but this won't pay my bills. So you know that I've helped you, but in return, you're not doing anything. And then that's when I said, okay, how much do you want me to give you? I said, and then he said to me that if you can give me 1 million, he will appreciate that.
Now, why didn't you mention that in your statement?
Mention what?
In your statement, you didn't mention that he demanded from you 1 million, and that you made only part payment to him of 300 and then 200.
There's actually a lot of things that I did not mention. Like I said to you, I forgot a lot of things. The place that I'm in, I cannot remember all these things. Some of them, like I said yesterday, that I just remembered them when I'm lying in bed, that, oh, actually this happened. So I forgot a lot of things. I'm being locked in a cell for 23 hours a day, so I have no contact. I don't have radio, I don't have newspaper, I don't have TV. I'm blocked from the outside world, so my brain is not functioning well. So I forgot a lot of things. So for that, please forgive me.
But you would agree that this is a very significant event. It is a significant event. One, it involves a former minister, General Cele. 2, it involves you. You're now in the midst of having to almost fight for your life. You've been raided twice by PKTT. You're a sought-after person. You in the midst of tendering for a huge award, 350 million. Why would you not remember or recall some of these significant events? You certainly do in relation to what you say in your statement, the 300,000 and the 200,000.
You're saying, why wouldn't I remember what?
Why wouldn't you have recalled that his demand was actually for 1 million rand?
I do not have control of my memory. What my memory decides to forget, I don't have control over that. So I just remembered it.
Okay. So all this is said initially in your apartment.
Yes.
So when he asked to stay at your apartment, you were comfortable with the fact that, well, he did you a favor. The harassment, the alleged harassment of the police had stopped. Your firearms have been returned, and you're quite okay to give him access to your apartment. So up until that point, everything is fine with you.
Before the money part.
Sorry?
Before the money part.
Yeah, before the money part.
Yes, I didn't have a problem with that.
So why did you not tell him, I'm sorry, I'm not going to give you any money. You've done me a favor. Thank you very much. I'm doing you a favor by allowing you to stay in my apartment free of charge. why must I pay you more money?
I don't think even yourself, if you are in my shoes, you'll do the same, because I've witnessed what these people were doing to me, and then I know this person, so I wouldn't want to provoke him or say something that I know that he wouldn't like.
Okay. So when you mentioned the money, what did you say? Sorry, I can only pay you 300,000 now and the balance later. How did that conversation go?
Yes, I said for now what I can arrange is 300,000, because I had other things to do with money, so I can only give you 300,000, and he accepted it.
And you have that kind of money in your bank account.
Yes.
How much money did you have in your bank account at that time?
I don't remember.
Is that your personal bank account or business bank account?
It's a business.
And which of the 5 businesses?
It's Medicare business, Medicare 24 business account.
So, sorry, the VIP security.
Medicare 24 account.
Okay. And you say that a bank statement of that account has already been obtained by the police.
I believe so.
And that you will make it available to us.
I'm not promising. I will have to check with my legal team if it's, because what I know is they've put bank statements of all my accounts, but I'm hoping even the Medicare one should be there.
Okay, so what will those bank accounts show?
The withdrawal from the bank?
They will show a withdrawal
Yes.
of cash
Yes.
at the bank.
Yes.
Which bank? Which branch?
Mainland Main.
Mainland.
Yes.
And which bank?
FNB.
FNB.
Yes.
And you went in as an ordinary client or customer to the bank, and you said to them, I'd like to withdraw 300,000.
By that time, I resigned as a director, so my sister was the director. She was the one who withdrew the money on my behalf.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
I'm saying in December, I resigned as a director.
Yeah.
So in January, my sister, she was the one who was the director. So I sent her to withdraw the money on my behalf.
And what's her name again? Repeat it.
Claudette.
Claudette.
Yes.
Claudette, and her surname?
Masete.
What's Sepe?
Masete. TH.
Okay. So she actually went to withdraw the money
Yes.
because you didn't have authority to withdraw that kind of money from the company's bank account.
She's the account holder now because she was the director. She was the account holder.
So you make these arrangements with her while you're in your apartment, and did you text her? Did you phone her?
I don't remember. I think I called or text. I don't remember.
Okay. And you tell her, I need 300,000 rand in cash.
Yes.
So she goes and draw the money.
Yes.
And how long did this take place, this whole transaction, from the time that you called her or messaged her and she goes to the bank and comes back to the apartment?
If you order it today, by tomorrow you can go and withdraw the money. But sometimes if they do have money in the branch, you can get it the same day.
So did they have money that day at the branch?
I don't remember well whether it was the same day or we went the following day.
So what are you now saying, that the transaction, the handing over of the cash of 300,000 to former Minister Cele didn't take place on the same day or the first day that he stayed in your apartment?
Yes, I don't remember the exact day, whether it's the first day when he came or the following day. That I don't remember.
Well, at least you can remember that, whether it was the same day or the next day.
No, I don't remember.
You can't remember.
I can't.
And so you also testified that Mbongosi was the one who was present, the late Mbongosi was the one who was present when General Cele made this demand.
Yes.
But when the money was actually handed over, was he also present?
Yes.
Why would he have been present? Is he also staying in your apartment, or did you arrange to have him present so that you could have a witness?
Mr. Cele was more closer to him than me.
Yeah.
So Mr. Mbongos is the one who arranged me to go and meet him in the first place. So every morning when he was in my apartment, he would drive and go and sit with him there. Then if I'm not doing anything, I'll come and join them sometimes. Sometimes I will leave both of them there together and go do whatever I need to do. Morning when he was in my apartment, he would drive and go and sit with him there. Then if I'm not doing anything, I'll come and join them sometimes. Sometimes I will leave both of them there together and go do whatever I need to do.